Richmond American Homes is pleased to introduce the Alexandrite, part of the sought-after Seasons collection. From its charming covered entry to its airy 9-foot ceilings and open living spaces, this remarkable ranch-style home offers designer details and a thoughtful layout. Upon entering the Alexandrite, you'll immediately notice a convenient laundry room and an optional 4th bedroom in lieu of a standard study. As you proceed through the foyer, you'll encounter a spacious kitchen with a roomy center island overlooking an open dining room. A large pantry is located just off the kitchen. An adjacent great room provides ample space to gather with friends and family around the television or optional fireplace, available at some communities. And center meet glass doors lead to a relaxing covered patio, extending the home's living space by bringing the outdoors in. A hallway off of the dining room leads to 2 generous secondary bedrooms and a shared bathroom. Finally, a private hallway off of the great room provides access to a well-appointed master suite with large walk-in closet and attached bath with optional double sinks. Offering hundreds of ways to personalize with fixtures and finishes, the Alexandrite is the home you've been searching for, designed with you in mind for the way you want to live. Richmond American Homes.